All right, I've got my programmable thermostat and it's reading low battery. Here is how I changed it. All right, so my programmable thermostat on the wall here, which controls my AC and my furnace, my HVAC system, it is reading low battery or replace battery. You can see it on the upper left here. So here's how I replace mine. This is a Honeywell brand, and it just pops right off like that. Now, you don't have to change the battery very often in this thing. We've lived in the house for 6-7 years or so, and maybe I've done this a few times, so they do last quite a bit, but you do have to replace them. Let's take a quick break. I've got a to-do list for you. First, make sure to subscribe, like, and share this video if you're finding it helpful. If you've got a tip, a question, or just want to share what's worked for you, drop it in the comments below. I love hearing from my viewers. Also, if you're feeling generous and you want to help feed my kids, half joking, not really, hit that thanks button. You can check out my channel merch for some cool DIY Bandit gear. You can shop trusted tools and home products that I use, and even consider becoming a member for some cool exclusive perks. Everything you need is in the description below. Thanks so much for watching. So we've got a couple of fresh, in this case, AA batteries. Yours might take AAA or something like that. But we'll get the old ones out and put the new ones in. And we'll dispose of those properly. And that's pretty much it. Now it's a matter of popping it back in and just reversing the process. So if I can do this with one hand, you definitely can do this. Very easy job. Make sure that clicks. Make sure everything hooks up and works. Make sure that battery light turns off. And you should be good to go. Thanks so much.
Are you okay? Look, come over here.